Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making a focus list for this project, open reminders, tap New List, and name it. Once done, pick a color and icon so you visually recognize it fast. This helps you prioritize later. Now tap into the new list and hit Add Reminder. Type a quick title. You can refine details later. Do this first so every subsequent setting applies to this context rather than a generic inbox. You now make each reminder actionable. Tap the reminder and open its info pane. Set a date and time and choose Repeat if it's recurring. This ensures the system prompts you when needed. For location-based prompts, enable location, pick arrive or leave, and fine-tune the address in Maps so triggers are accurate. Add subtasks to split complex tasks, paste a URL or attach a photo, and write a short note so you won't forget specifics. Finish by sharing and organizing. Tap Add People to collaborate on the list and assign ownership verbally when needed. Flag high-priority reminders and rely on smart lists like Today and Scheduled to surface what matters now. Finally, if reminders fail to alert, make sure Reminders has location and notification permissions, background app refresh is enabled, and Do Not Disturb isn't silencing alerts. Toggling permissions off and back on often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.